Hello! Today I will show you a new confocal system we just installed. It is the first confocal system, the new generation Nikon AS confocal system in Hong Kong. So you can see the latest generation Nikon confocal system. The outlook of the total system is very clean and compact. This is the scan head. The controller and laser and detector, we are using a modular design, which is we can put the confocal system in a very compact area, and then the controller, laser system and detector can be stand beside the system. So the AS confocal system, which is a most advanced confocal system from Nikon, and it is the latest version. A series, if you heard about our confocal system before, we have A1 confocal. The AS, that means we are the 10th generation confocal system now. The important features for AS confocal system including high-speed confocal imaging and a large field of view. This time, besides the confocal system, we also configure inverted microscope, full motorized microscope, PI2E microscope. So you can do many applications, for example, fixed sample or even live cell culture sample. For live cell culture imaging, this time we provide also an incubation chamber from Tokai heat. And you can see here, it is also a perfusion system to let the user to exchange the medium without open the incubator, and you can just press this button here to exchange the medium.